Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So basically today I'm gonna start vlogging again because it's been a while, and right now it's like 11:30 in the morning. We are gonna go to the beach with my family. So right now my sister is coming over here, and then my mom went to the store to go get stuff that we need. But yeah, I wanted to vlog today with my family because I have never shown my family on my channel. It was basically always just videos of me and Ali and her dad and his family. Oh, here's little Ali. She's almost 2 in a few months. But look at her, look at her, look at her. Oh, you're so pretty, mama. You're so pretty, huh? No. You want to put chapstick? But yeah, we are almost ready. And lately it's been getting hot over here. And spring is around the corner, so right, baby? Yeah. All right, that's enough. So that's it. Say bye. Oh, wait. Can you show me where your head is at? Your eyes? Your mouth? Your mouth. Your nose? Your nose. Your nose. What about your ears? Your teeth? Where's your teeth? Good job. All right, say bye. So we made it to the beach finally. Here's my mother. Here's the kids. Ali, mommy, look. It's so pretty. Because then you're gonna get burnt, Miss Girl. ¿Hay tu carita?
La Filadelfia.
A ver. You got it all over your face. No, you need it or now you're gonna get burnt.
¿Por qué trajiste otra grande? ¿Qué?
I'm gonna put some on my face because I do not want to get burnt. You want to see your back?
It's gonna be sweaty.
I know it is. It feels so good. Oh, guys. Look, Ali.
The water looks so
Say
low
cheese.
though.
Mama, say cheese. 81, 2, 3.
Her cheeks are already so red.
I know. We just got here.
Those
She's
freaking
so
cachetes
sensitive.
rojos.
¿Quieres Doritos? Toma. You don't want Doritos?
¿No quieres más? No quiero.
Maybe she's sleepy. So we basically came, but I got stuck. We got stuck in traffic at LAX, and it didn't take as long as I thought it would.
Se metió al aeropuerto.
But it took a while
Ya
because
sabía.
my mom over here said to take this exit, and I was like, I don't think it's this exit. And of course we went, and that was a whole dilemma. But we made it back over here. Oh, mommy, look, that's your new friend over there.
Ya sabía.
Look.
Ya sabía que se iba a meter.
They're about to grandma. ¿Está fría, Mia? The water?
¿Tienes frío? Ven, mía. What over?
I'm gonna take Ali to the water. It's a really, really low tide. And she literally freaked out because she didn't want to walk on the sand. Mama, just for a little bit, okay? Yeah, you're just gonna walk. It's not that bad. Look, Mia's going over there. Look. Yeah, you're gonna go there too, right? Go down. Look, go to the...
Go, got it on me, got it on.
चांद
fucking Dorito bag. Oh my god. They fucking opened it?
Yeah.
You fuckers. Dude, oh my god, we're gonna get attacked. Where are the birdies? Look, the birdies are right there. They're eating your chips, Ali. Oh my god. She's so entertained. She's like, what the fuck? ¿Quieres más? Oh, ¿tienes frío, mamá? ¿Tienes frío, mi amor? Ok, ya. Dale cookies, mía. ¿Quieres cookies de esas, mamá? ¿O no? ¿De esas? ¿Quieres cookies de esas? ¿Ali? ¿No? Ok, pues. You don't want that one? Okay, change it. You know how to change it. I put on my mask and now I am just roller skating on my own because Daniela didn't want to come with me. And it is so beautiful, so relaxing. I tried to like take a few pictures by myself and that was not working, so I literally stopped and I asked this older man if he could like take me pictures, and he was the sweetest person ever. Like, I kid you not, like he was so sweet. And he was like, your skates are so pretty. I was like, thank you so much. And we literally had a good conversation just like on the side of the bike rail. But yeah, I'm just going by myself. Oh my god, I'm going up an uphill and that is a challenge, but it's a vibe. It really is. I basically just went and sat down by myself and I'm just chilling. But dude, it is so relaxing just like roller skating by yourself on your own, not being a mom, not having your baby next to you, and not depending on someone else to kind of like have fun with, you know, that person. And it feels great. Like, the sun's out and I'm just feeling great, to be honest. Like, I think for the longest time ever I've been by myself ever since like having Ali, and kind of just always just having that little like person next to me at all times and no one else really. But yeah, right now I'm just right here on the stairs and I think I'm gonna head back in a bit. But oh my god, I think like driving wise it's 9 minutes that way and it's like 27 minutes, and I'm like, I did not know that I went that far. But it just honestly feels so relaxing. My left leg is kind of cramping, I made it back. And it's like golden hour. The sun is just so pretty. And all the girls are just like showering, and I think we're gonna leave in a bit. But I'm tired and I still have to drive back, and then we're probably gonna get some freaking food. Dude, oh my god, I can't believe they opened the bags. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, Ali is like over there. Hold on. Vente, mommy, ven. So she's not crying anymore. It's been a while. It's been since like last summer that she's been on the beach on the sand. Look at her. Look at her. Vente, mama. Come to mama. It's just sand. It's just sand. Vente, siéntate. Siéntate. There you go. There you go. All better? Are you okay? Mama. Oh my god, Ali. So it is already 7 p.m. We just got home. Ali's in the back. But we just got pizza, and then my older sister is dropping off my other sisters. But yeah, we're just gonna eat pizza, and then we're just gonna shower. And that's pretty much it. I had a lot of fun, and honestly it was so fun just like being together, because sometimes like when you have a lot of siblings, like it could get so, how do you say it? It could get so crazy and chaotic. But when no one's fighting, then it's like you get like the quadruple the fun, because like everybody's together, everybody's having a good time, everybody's laughing. Like there's just so many good vibes when we actually get along together and we're not fighting or arguing. But yeah, I enjoyed going roller skating by myself while everyone just like kind of stayed behind. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I know that I'm gonna enjoy this video, especially when I look back at my videos. I always get happy like when I reflect about like my life and stuff like that. So yeah, 2020, I'm going to capture a lot of good moments, a lot of new locations, a lot of new things with school, with being an athlete, with being a young mom. And a lot of good things in my life have changed for the better. So I'm just really excited, because I do want to capture this time where I'm just going through a lot of personal things, but I just know I am gonna make it out with like just better wisdom out of my whole situation. So yeah, that's basically it for today.